Have you noticed changes in your body after giving birth? Don't worry. Discover valuable tips and herbal remedies to help you feel more like yourself again. How to treat loose vagina after delivery. After delivery, many women experience changes in their pelvic region, leading to a feeling of looseness. It's a natural process that happens due to the stretching of muscles and tissues during childbirth. Fortunately, there are effective ways to treat this concern. Many women find that various techniques can help strengthen these muscles, improving tone and confidence. Whether it's through targeted exercises or lifestyle adjustments, there are options available that can lead to positive results. Effective ways to restore tightness in women. Add herbal remedies. Certain herbs, like fenugreek and ginger, are believed to promote muscle tone and support women's health. You can explore herbal options for starting a new regimen. Maintain a balanced diet. Consuming foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can help with overall health and digestion. A healthy gut can also positively impact pelvic health. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for maintaining overall health, including the health of your pelvic area. Proper hydration can support the elasticity of your tissues, helping to maintain tone. Practice mindfulness and stress management. Stress can negatively impact overall health, including pelvic muscle function. Engaging in mindfulness practices, such as meditation or yoga, can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, which may indirectly support tightness and overall well-being. Natural treatment for loose vagina. Shabab Tablet is a natural solution crafted to support vaginal firmness and improve overall female intimate wellness. It is packed with powerful herbs and organic components. It works harmoniously to promote tissue contraction and boost elasticity, helping achieve a tighter sensation. This product is perfect for women looking for a natural approach to revitalizing and strengthening their pelvic muscles, ultimately enriching their intimate moments and experiences. Best Kegel exercises for tightening vagina. Start with basic Kegels. Begin by squeezing your pelvic floor muscles, holding for 5 seconds, and then releasing. Repeat this 10 times, twice a day. It's simple and effective over time. Add quick squeezes. After mastering the basic hold, try quick squeezes. Contract the muscles for 1 second, release, and repeat rapidly. This adds intensity and improves muscle control. Practice while sitting or lying down. Kegels can be done anywhere, but lying down or sitting helps beginners focus more easily on engaging the correct muscles without added pressure. Stay consistent. Like any workout, consistency is key. Aim for 3 sets daily to notice a gradual improvement over a few weeks. To effectively tighten your vagina, combine the practice of Kegel exercises with the regular use of Shabab Tablets for 3 months. This powerful duo will significantly improve your results and support your journey toward greater confidence and well-being. You can conveniently purchase Shabab Tablets at ayurvedresearch.com. With regular use, they can help you regain the confidence and comfort you desire after delivery. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss the next video on Best Exercises for Vaginal Tightening.